Buongiorno, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, when the order of the digits 2552 is reversed, the number remains the same. Such a number is called a palindrome. How many integers between 100 and 1,000 are palindromes? Okay, so since it's between 100 and 1,000, we basically only have 3 digits anyway. So if we use the same strategy, method / very, very, very repetitive formula that I've used for a couple previous problems now, we'll get these 3 little lines, okay? And on each 3 of these lines, there's going to be a number. So since it's from 100 to 1,000, this means that you have 100 to 900 to choose from. So on the first digit, you have 9 possibilities. It cannot be 0 because there is no such thing as a 0, 1, 0 as a 3-digit number. And similarly for number 2, since this number doesn't have any restrictions, it can be anything that you want, it's basically 10, since it can be 0 in this case. However, the last number has to be the same as the first number, therefore you have no pick in this. Therefore, 1. When we multiply all of this together, we basically get 90. So there are 90 integers between 100 and 1,000 that are palindromes. Happy day. Moving on to problem number 2. Suppose that I have 5 different books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 of which are math books. And how many ways can I place my 5 books left to right on a shelf if I want a math book on both ends? Well, if you're so into math books, then you might as well read them and find out. Anyway, no, that's not the point. So, since 2 of them are math books, we can think of these as sort of separately, okay? The math books and the books that are not about math, because obviously math is life, right? Okay, so anyway. For the first one, since the first and last line here is basically reserved for math books, on the first line, we basically have a choice. We can put math book number 1 or math book number 2 there. And I suppose that it doesn't really matter which one you put, because there you have 2 choices, therefore it's 2. And for the last one, it's the same. However, you don't really have 2 choices anymore because you've obviously already put 1 down. So that's just 1. In the center, since you have 5 different books and 2 of them have already been placed down, you basically have an order of 3. And then since you already put another 1 down, you have 2. Put the other 4 down, you only have 1. When we multiply all of this together, we basically get 12. Big happy day. So this idea is really not to be forgotten because it's kind of used in a lot of problems. So yeah, big fun day. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!